Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you all some Christmas decor ideas for styling your entryway. So let's get started. So okay you guys, so this is the space that I'm working with. This is my entryway. It's very small, not very big at all, and I just have this glass console table that's here, and then I have that lamp here that's always is either sitting over there on my either on my buffet. So that's what I'm working with you guys in this space. So I had already went ahead and cleaned off the glass and everything and wiped down the mirror sides and everything just to make sure that there's no fingerprints or anything like that on there, so that we're working with a clean space. So I decided to add some Christmas decor to my entryway, just kind of as a way to brighten the front of the house and just kind of have a nice ambiance to greet my guests. So I'm gonna share with you guys several other ideas that you can do, ideas for styling your entryway. If you're new to my channel, my name is Trina. I share all things that's home decor related on my channel. So if you love home decor and you especially love decorating for the holidays, I would love for you to stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here, and make sure you turn your notification bell on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, you guys, so that was several different ways of how I could style my entryway, or give you ideas for styling your entryway as well. But I just wanted to add a little bit more festive vibe, and I definitely want to tie in a little bit more of my winter wonderland theme with my entryway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some garland to the console table. I think that'll give me a green aspect, and it also kind of softens the look as well. So the table's already cleaned and everything, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some command strips, and I just picked up these command strips from Michael's, and I just placed like one on each end of the console table. And these are real easy to put on. You just kind of put the little tabs on there and hold it down for a few seconds, and it sticks, and then they're real easy to come off so they don't damage your furniture or your glass or anything like that. So I'm placing the command strips on here because I want to be able to place my garland, or have some place to have my garland secure so that everything won't come falling down. So I started that. So next I'm going to add my garland, and I found this beautiful garland here from Joann Fabric. It was originally $29.99, but Joann Fabric had all the Christmas decor 60% off, so I only paid like $11 for this garland. And I love that it has the flock snow on there as well as some frosted pine cones, so I thought it would really look cute in my entryway and fit my decor. So next I'm going to add in my cloches that I got from Z Gallery, but in the inside I'm going to put those cute little glam mini Christmas trees that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I think it just kind of elevates the space and just adds a little bit of more holiday flair. Next I'm going to add in those nice little reindeer that I have. I'm going to use the larger one and the small one, just kind of face them at opposite ends so they can add a little bit more festive vibe and bring in my winter wonderland theme as well to the entryway. And this is how everything is looking so far, you guys, but I just want to add a little bit more to the space. So I found these little picks here that I got from Michael's, and I love that it has the frosted berries on there, the frosted pine cones, as well as some icicle kind of branches in there. And I think by adding that to the garland, it kind of elevates it a little bit and adds a little bit more texture and dimension to the space as well. So I love that pop of white and brown, and I just love how it adds a little bit more natural element to the space. This is what everything is looking like so far, you guys, and I'm absolutely loving it, you guys. And this is probably how I'm going to end up leaving my entryway. I love how everything has turned out. I love how it ties in my winter wonderland theme, and then I love how it just adds a really nice ambiance to the entryway. So I'm really enjoying how it turns out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and please share this video. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and happy Thanksgiving.